Are your kids bouncing off the walls and you want to channel that energy into something fun? Here are the 5 best pogo sticks I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Flybar My First Foam Pogo Jumper. Priced at just $14.99, this pogo stick caught my eye with its bright colors and kid-friendly design. If you want to get your little ones jumping safely indoors and out, this is worth a serious look. This pogo stick is made from durable foam, making it perfect for kids age 3 and up. It's designed for active play, and I love that it has a built-in squeaker, adding a fun sound with each jump. Not only does this encourage kids to get off the sofa, but it also helps train their balance and coordination, which is crucial at this age. With 5,000 units bought in the past month, parents are clearly loving it. Now, some parents mentioned that the squeaker can be a bit annoying after a while. Here's the thing though, if your child enjoys the noise, it might just motivate them to jump more. On the other hand, if you're looking for a quieter option, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you have a young child who needs to burn off some energy. Skip this one if you're looking for something for older kids or if noise is a deal breaker. At this price point, it offers great value for getting your kid active. Now, if the squeaker isn't your cup of tea, the next pogo stick offers a more traditional jumping experience without the noise.
Product number 2, the Flybar Maverick Foam Pogo Stick, which is priced at $38.99. This one is perfect for kids aged 5 and up, and I was impressed by its foam-covered metal frame. If your child is ready for a real pogo stick experience, this is a solid choice. What I love about this pogo stick is its sturdy design. The fully enclosed spring is surrounded by foam, providing safety and a cool look. The non-slip foot pads and wide bounce tip enhance stability, making it easier for kids to learn. Plus, there's no assembly required. Kids can start jumping straight out of the box. With over 700 units sold recently, it's clearly appealing to parents. However, some reviews mention that it's a bit heavy for younger kids to handle. Here's the thing though, this weight adds to the stability, which is essential for beginners. If your child is old enough and ready to jump, the weight will help them feel more secure. This is perfect for you if your child is at least 5 and eager to learn how to jump. Skip this one if you have a younger child or if they struggle with heavier toys. Overall, for its price and durability, it's a worthwhile investment. If you want something exciting that builds on the skills learned with the Maverick, check out the next product. Product number 3, Flybar Pogo Trick Ball. The Flybar Pogo Trick Ball is up next, and it's priced at $20.99. This is a unique twist on the traditional pogo stick. If you want a way for your kids to stay active while honing their balance and coordination, this might just be what you need. This pogo ball is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, which is awesome because kids can bounce around any time of year. It engages core muscles and helps develop motor skills through fun bouncing activities. Plus, it features an anti-slip deck, giving your child confidence as they bounce. With a weight limit of 160 pounds, it's durable enough for multiple kids to enjoy, and it even comes with its own air pump for easy setup. However, some users noted that it takes a bit of practice to master. Here's my take on that. While it can be a bit challenging initially, that's part of the fun. Kids will feel a real sense of accomplishment once they get the hang of it. This is perfect for you if you have a child aged 6 or older who loves active play. Skip this one if you're looking for something ready to use right away without a learning curve. With its affordable price, it's a fantastic way to promote fitness and fun. If the need for balance isn't an issue for your kids, the next one might be more straightforward.
Product number 4, Flybar Limited Edition Foam Maverick Pogo Stick, which costs $40.49. The vibrant lime and purple color caught my eye immediately. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional pogo stick for your kid, this one's a great option. Just like the standard Maverick, this pogo stick is designed for kids 5 and up, and it features a foam-covered metal frame for safety. The non-slip foot pods and wide bounce tip ensure stability while jumping. This model also comes fully assembled, so it's ready to bounce right away. With a trusted brand like Flybar behind it, you know you're getting quality. That said, some parents pointed out that it's a bit pricier than other models. Here's the thing. The added durability and style might be worth it for parents looking for a long-lasting pogo stick that stands out. This is perfect for you if you have kids who want something fun and stylish. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or your child is just starting out. It's a great investment for the quality and design. Now, if you want something more basic without the frills, the final product may be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 5. Flybar My First Foam Pogo Jumper. Alternative. We have another option from Flybar, the My First Foam Pogo Jumper, priced at $11.45. This one's aimed at younger kids and has a similar design to the first product on our list. If you're looking for a budget-friendly introduction to pogo jumping, this is a great find. This pogo jumper still boasts the same durable foam construction and is designed for kids aged 3 and up. It encourages active play and helps with balance and coordination, just like the first one. The price point makes it accessible, with over 4,000 units sold, which shows it's a favorite among parents. Some users have mentioned that the squeaker is less durable on this model. Here's my perspective. Given its price, it's hard to expect everything to be perfect. It's a great starter option, and if your child enjoys it, you can always upgrade later. This is perfect for you if you have a very young child looking to get active without a big investment. Skip this one if you want something more advanced for older kids. At this price, it's a steal for parents wanting to introduce the joy of jumping. To wrap it up, each pogo stick has its perks and downsides, so let's quickly revisit them. Looking back at our top 5 pogo sticks, we had the Flybar My First Foam Pogo Jumper, the Maverick Pogo Stick, the Pogo Trick Ball, the limited edition Maverick, and the budget-friendly My First Foam Pogo Jumper. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Flybar Maverick Foam Pogo Stick because it strikes the perfect balance between safety and fun for kids ready to learn.